Coastal connectivity came from the connections that we have with researchers all across the ATU, ranging from Letterkenny right down all the way to Galway. Our geography lends itself to doing coastal research, and with the opportunity that presents to work better together for the Northwest region in the Atlantic coast, we all came together and came up with 12 really unique cross-disciplinary projects that we feel that can really benefit both the community socially and economically.
Have you ever thought about what life is like beneath the ocean surface? Understanding the underwater ecosystem is very important because it plays a vital role in maintaining the planet in healthy status. My study is focused on the animals that live on the seafloor known as the benthic fauna, and these creatures really respond to the human activities, the pollutions, the shipping activities, the industrial pollutions, and the nutrient runoff from the agriculture. This project will create a habitat map including the water quality status of the coastal areas around the island.
There's a really big increase in extreme weather events due to climate change in Ireland. We've had some really significant storms the past year or two, and storms are a pathway for plastics to enter the environment. When there's a storm event, if there's flooding, if things get knocked over, that plastic can all go into the ocean. Plastic pollution is a really big problem globally, and it's something that's really visible when you go to the beach. So it's really important that there's a lot of community engagement when you're at the beach. If you see plastic, you pick it up. People can get involved by taking part in a local beach cleanup, or even just doing a 5-minute sweep and picking up anything they see on their walks on the beach. My project is looking at the abundance of microplastics in sediments. So I'm looking at intertidal sediments on our beaches and estuarine sediments.
My project will be about the use of DNA-based sequencing and analysis to study plankton. Using environmental DNA, which is basically the DNA that is released in the water in this case, is a less invasive way of studying biodiversity. So in this case, we just need water samples, and from that we can obtain the DNA and assess the identity of these species. Of course, fishing is a very important activity for Ireland, being an island, of course. So analyzing the fish eggs in these 4 bays in Northwest Ireland will help us on how to manage our fish stocks and to assess whether species are decreasing or not, and so moving towards a more sustainable fishery.